Hello everyone, I am Ligo. Today's topic is Kim Soo-hyun and Seo Ye-ji's fortune harmony analysis. At the request of a YouTube subscriber, I analyzed the fortune harmony between Kim Soo-hyun and Seo Ye-ji. They show their unique chemistry in fortune as well as their unique chemistry in the drama. Let's analyze the two similar and different fortunes. Do you see the same letter when you first see their fortune? The letters that point to themselves are the same. Both of them are letters that mean jewelry. It shines everywhere, is a little bit rough, and is very delicate. They want to be a person who supports them and an intellectual person who is their heart for their spouse just below the letter that pointed to them. The fortune combination at the first level has a high score because the letters are the same. As soon as they see each other, they can't help but feel good about themselves. The heart part is the real spouse. Kim Soo-hyun's spouse's spirit is strong. It means that his spouse plays a very important role in Kim Soo-hyun's life, and he has a weak energy. The spirit of the spouse is weak in Seo Ye-ji's fortune. It means that Seo Ye-ji takes more initiative. But Seo Ye-ji has three of the same energy as herself. It looks good on Kim Soo-hyun's fortune, which has the initiative in life for a woman. And the characters that correspond to their talents as celebrities are made up of the same characters. And these letters mean learning, acceptance, and respect for seniors. They two look so good together. They two are so similar that they will act or get along very well as friends. But they too have too little energy to express their thoughts and relieve stress. Therefore, even if they have a conflict of opinion, they cannot say what's inside, and they cannot express their love even if they love. And the temperature of their fortunes is very low, so they are very calm. It is so similar that it's not a lucky combination. But the chemistry in the drama was so great. I want them to develop into better works and be happy in the future. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.